First of all, thank you, sir, for inviting me here. And I am Kavya, live in Delhi, but I basically belong from Rajasthan. If I talk about myself, so I'm so much dedicated towards my work and also with a sincere soul. As my teacher used to say me these words. Yeah. And now you all are free to ask me something questions, so now you can. I'm pursuing become first year because this is my dream that I want to take commerce and I want to do pursuing become first year.
What is your dream?
Actually, I definitely not decided that what is my dream. I will obviously say that I'm doing just a digital marketing in my career life, and I want to do this because this is not my as my career goal. This is as my that personally thing that I want to do. I have five siblings. I have five siblings, and I have my parents and they are doing working. My mother is housewife, and my father is my father is a merchant. What are your hobbies? My hobbies is singing, dancing, and like to listening music at any time, at any cost.
Have you ever participated in any competition?
Yeah, I participated in lots of competition in science quizzes, in maths quizzes, everything. And I participated in also a career, my opportunities like dramas and also parliament, and where I got first position in my in that drama.
What is your strength?
My strength is that I have positive attitude, and I am very I have positive attitude, and I'm very dedicated towards my work.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is that I'm very emotional person, and I want this thing that I want to control this thing, but sometimes I don't control this thing, but I used to controlling this thing.
Do you have any technical qualification?
I couldn't hear.
Do you have any technical qualification?
Yes, I'm learning computer. Yes, I'm learning computer.
Do not whisper, guys.
Which course?
DIT.
All the questions, all students are requested to ask.
My favorite?
Yes.
My favorite color is my black color, and you can see as well that I wore this.
Did you get approval letter?
Yeah, why? Obviously. Thank you.
What is your strength?
What is?
Your strength.
My strength is that I have positive attitude. I said this thing.
Your weakness?
My weakness that I am very emotional person, that you also know this.
Do you have
I don't have any crush, and I'm thinking like that I should not be do this like thing.
Do you believe in a love?
Yes, I believe in love, but now I'm not believing this time thing.
Short story with your boyfriend.
There is I have listen, I don't have any boyfriend, so I don't have any story of my boyfriend, and I think that I have lots of my I should see in my career that
Have you seen a love drama or a Korean drama or something?
yeah, I saw a love drama, you can say that, and it is also a Korean drama,
What
which
is
is
that
which is Boys Over Flowers.
What is that name?
What?
Uh, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science,
Why?
because I don't know why, but since my childhood I'm very interested in science. So
What type of quality do you want in your husband?
I want that, but only just he should understand me and nothing more. I don't want anything literally.
Do you have any technical?
Yeah, I have lots. No, yeah, I have technical qualification of 2 months computer courses, and still I'm learning computer course.
Do you have any job experience?
No, I'm just fresher, and I don't want to be do job until now, because I want to just study, and I want to just only concern on my study. So
Why are you joining MS?
I joined MSL because I want to just improve my communication skill. I want to improve that people. I want that people. I want to face. I can face the people, and I want to that. I want to learn English to improve my everything, to improve my personality, to improve my English speaking fluently. So
What is your main goal in your life?
Listen, I cannot say that I live in my today, and I'm just only concerning that what are doing on my today. So I know just myself, because everyone doesn't know about their future. So I just know about my today, that I'm doing computer classes and I'm doing English speaking course. So
Right now you said your favorite subject is science. Then
Yeah.
why you take commerce?
this is the lots of people's question. There is a lots of reason that I don't take science, and yeah, and actually I don't want to be extend this question as 1 minute, because that there is a lots of reason. Actually my parents said, and not my parents, my relatives said that this is so difficult stream, there is no any scope except the doctor and teacher. So what will you do on that time? Commerce have lots of scope, but still now that is the thing, but still now I cannot find any scope.
Did you ever narrate a poetry?
Yeah, I narrate a poetry in my 5th class when I was in the stage, and my ma'am suddenly said that go in the stage and just
You can narrate now. Can you narrate now?
I cannot narrate now. I just remember that the tagline that Man ka Ravan jalao. I don't know.
Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God and I worship God daily, because the all inspiration comes from my God, and I starts my day to worship of the God.
What type of student you are? Average, below average? Or
I cannot concern my, and I will never take myself that I am a brighter student, I am an average student. I think that every student is equal, but in my school time I got first position in my school time. Now
What's your childhood memory?
I have lots of childhood memory, and which of the child memory do you want to listen here?
what is your 12th percentage?
Funny? Can I remember? And then I will give you answer.
What is your 12th percentage?
94%.
And
Which
then
type of film do you
78%.
Who is your favorite actor?
Yeah, you don't
My favorite actor. In Bollywood, I don't have any my favorite actor. I like singer Guru Randhawa, and I like actor Lee Min Ho, which is Korean actor.
Which type of music do you like?
I like Korean drama something, but I don't know still that the music, and I also like the Hindi song also.
Where will you go?
I cannot sing here.
What's your dream place?
My dream place is that I want to go in the Korea, and I want to go in the America. And Paris also,
why?
because I don't know why Korea. But I don't know, but that is my heart attachment. I want to go there means I want to go there. This is have no any reason, but I want to go America because my favorite
Like
star.
Korea?
What?
Anything you like Korea? Do you follow
Yeah,
BTS
there is a
army?
friend. Yeah, what?
Do you follow BTS army?
Why not? Of course I follow.
Blackpink?
Why not?
Where will you go on your honeymoon?
Listen, I never think about that, because I believe in the one thing that I have to just complete my study, then I have to go on the another stage of my life that I want to just make my career, and then I will see that what should I want to do, arrange marriage or love marriage. So
What is your hobby?
my hobbies is singing, dancing.
Can you just dance or sing with?
I cannot dance here and I cannot sing here.
Why not? You have a lot of confidence.
In any other occasion.
GK, grammar, GK, general knowledge. Ask some questions.
No, never. Health minister, yeah, I remember. Actually, my sister always used to watch the news, but I am not interested in GK so much. Just a minute. Health minister, I will give answer you to again.
Korea's president.
No, I don't believe in Korea's president.
When India adopted constitution?
15 August constitution adopted. 26 January 1950.
No.
No.
On what? Okay, no.
26 November.
Oh, yeah. Now.
Do not sit silent,
How
please.
many articles in the Constitution?
Don't give her this much time to think.
Don't ask me this type of question.
Ask, put the question again and again on this
World
one
Cup?
face.
Cricket World Cup.
Yes.
Who will win? Who will win? Of course, Pakistan. Babar Azam was a so much good cricketer.
How many union territories in India?
28,
Union territories.
7.
6.
Yeah, Kashmiri वो में get हो गया 6.
Now you can ask any question. Personal, important question related to personal affairs. Any question you
What
can
do you
ask.
think about your
Okay.
personality?
Ask questions.
This is an average.
Ask some personal questions.
Who is your favorite person in your life?
My favorite person in my life, my parents. They are my favorite.
Which is your favorite K-pop band?
What?
Which is your favorite K-pop band?
K-pop band? I could not.
K-pop band.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I'm not interested in this on them so much. I'm always interested in the Lee Min Ho or in these. So, and I've always used to watch in their news.
Which is your favorite sports?
In my childhood, I never give concern in my play, but still I love cricket. This is so good, and from the India's
Any favorite cricketer?
Do you like to watch IPL?
Dhoni maybe.
Do you like to watch IPL?
No, I don't watch IPL because I watched a T20 match with they are happening in nowadays, and I'm very but now I'm very unhappy because India has out from the World Cup, so that's why.
Do you love animals?
No, I don't have any crush and I don't love with anyone. Billy, cat. I love cat
Why?
because she is so cute and her voice is so like me, that meow. So
If someone tries to flirt with you, what will you do?
I will understand him with very patiently. This is
Who's your favorite actor and what will you say?
favorite actor. I don't like any favorite actor. I like singer. Guru Randhawa, Milind Gaba. This is my favorite. My favorite food is chole chawal.
How will you propose your future boyfriend or a husband?
I will not propose him. Whatever will happen, but I will not propose him.
If someone tease you, what do you want to do?
I will tease in his language or in her language.
How,
Do you love plants?
Yeah,
Do you have
and
any,
especially I love money plant.
do you have any plant in your home?
Yes, I have lots of plant in my home, in my roof, in my outdoor.
Can you name one?
Money plant or Sadabahar, like, or Gudhal. In Hindi, I remember that name.
China rose. You discuss.
which is your favorite song?
Listen, there is a lots of my favorite song, and these are the old song can be.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is my three best friend, Riya, Priya, and Khushi. These are my three best friends.
Riya.
Yes,
Is your best friend?
yes.
Riya and Priya.
Riya and Priya. She was Priya Kaushik.
Priya. And one more.
Khushi.
Riya, Priya.
Khushi.
Bhavya, हो गई Priya. Yes.
Do you take tea in your breakfast?
Yes, I will. I obviously take a full of the glass tea.
How to cook?
How to cook? I don't know how to cook. And my mother always say to me that what will you do in your life that you don't know even cook. But I'm learning.
Favorite place in India.
What?
Which is your favorite place in India?
My favorite place is in India is Delhi, where I'm living.
Why?
Because I'm living here. Because I'm living. Because I'm living here. And देश और राज्य वही दिल की जान है.
What is your favorite dish?
छोले चावल. My favorite dishes.
That is how to chole chawal.
My favorite dish is chole chawal. Yeah.
Do you like chole bhature of Delhi?
I like chole bhature of Delhi. Even out of my street corner, I also like there.
Don't you like golgappa?
Always like. Chole chawal is my favorite. I like everything. Whatever which is vegetarian, I like everything.
What is your nickname in your home?
Nothing.
What
Nothing.
is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food is finger, French fries.
Whose finger actually? I also say.
Your finger.
Just you can take.
Ask question, don't sit silent, please. Yes, many students are sitting silent. Yes.
Favorite movie?
You ask.
My favorite movie is
And Nandini, you also. You sitting silent. You both.
my favorite movie.
What's your favorite web?
It is not remembering till now. What?
What's your favorite web series?
Harshad Mehta Stock Market. Scam 1992.
Do you see Ashram web series?
No, I never see Ashram web series.
Tell me about your daily routine.
वो तो सुना ही था. Okay, I wake up at 8-9 o'clock and I operate mobile. Then I go to my then I clean. No, I wash the intestine, and then after that I go to computer classes. When I come back from here, I used to watch TV, and then after that I came back at home and I rest for some time. Then I will go at MSL, and then when I will come here from there. Now then I will eat food and I will watch TV and then I sleep. That is my daily routine.
Which is the favorite food in Rajasthan?
Dal bati. That is the favorite food in Rajasthan.
And favorite place in
Do
Rajasthan?
you watch show?
There is a lots of place in Rajasthan, like the Ajmeri Killa. That is the so much famous fort in Rajasthan.
What type of dress do you want to on your birthday?
What type of?
Dress do you want to wear on your birthday?
I want to wear princess like a dress.
Or also there are the friends. There will be our friends, so you can.
Maybe.
Do you like watch any show?
Yeah, Udaria. That is my favorite show. And what?
Do you like music?
I cannot hear.
Big
Yeah.
Boss 15.
Yeah, why not? I like Tejran. His talk is fabulous, and their love is too much real. I think so. But Teja is not so good. She was so bad. Okay.
Which dance style you like the most?
Which dance style? Salsa. But I never did.
Can you pin thoughts your salsa?
Who will be the partner?
I will get.
No.
Do you like Anupama serial?
What?
Do you like
Anupama?
serial?
Yeah, oftenly I like, and I also used to watch this serial.
Which character do you like in Anupama?
Kavya.
Okay, Kavya, can you just tell us something?
What about?
So this is the final round. Everyone is to ask one question. Start from here. Yes.
My weakness is that I'm a very emotional person and I trust with people with easily. Yes, I believe in karma, and I also I will always study the books of Gita Bhagavad like this, and I also believe in that karma are three. There is a Sanchit Karam and like all these, and I believe in always.
Do you play PUBG?
No, I don't play PUBG because I don't know that how to play. At one time my brother showed me that how was the type, and I just say just close it. I'm not interested in this thing. What? My idol is my all teacher. My idol are my all teachers.
Which cartoon is your favorite?
I cannot.
Which cartoon is your favorite?
Bheem, Chota Bheem.
Which is your favorite place?
What?
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is Kerala. I like this. At what time? 8 o'clock, 8 or 9? 9 o'clock I get up. With the leg of my mother. Who is my? Minister. Prime Minister. Prime Minister Modi.
Define Modi.
Modi is a very good leader. And he because his leadership style was different, and he always ranked one in the whole prime minister chain, and so that's why he always throw out the another level of schemes, so that's why he's my favorite.
How will you fight for your rights when your family say that you have to marry now?
You have to marry now. Firstly, now in this time 18. Firstly, my family will not say this thing. Never. Yeah, I got it. If they will say, so I will never understanding something, and I will run from house at the midnight.
They don't feel you.
Elope नहीं, वो तो that was run in love, but I am alone.
Where are you going to hang out?
Where?
Hang out.
Hang out. I will go hang out for Korean or Paris. What is my aim? I want to be a good person in my life.
With whom do you want to propose in a class?
Next.
So, as per you said you wanted to go America or Korea. So, which city you wanted to go in America?
New York, that is my favorite place. Where I want to go.
Adventurous like
What?
do you like adventurous hacks?
Yeah, oftenly I like that.
Where do you put up?
I put up at Kishan Vihar in Delhi.
In New York, what do you like to do?
There's prisoners.
Over.
Because there is a lots of number of prisoners, and I want to see all of them, and I want to give punishment all of them.
Do you handle any social media?
No, I am not active in social media because I don't have my personal phone, so that's why.
Give them punishment.
Because prisoners means what? What are you trying to understanding?
Yes. Move on. Okay. Yeah. Give me mic.
This mic. ये वाला mic.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one. No. Yes. All my dear students, listen to me. She has been continuously answering your question for half an hour nearby. Actually, I am not very much sure about it. And you have seen many things, and I would like to disclose something after listening to you. Tagline. No tagline is used, and it's very good. Sometimes many people at times speaking uses a tagline like literally, unfortunately, listen to me. Sometimes the same line they use again and again, and that is known as tagline. And whenever any person, any speaker speaks the same line again and again, it's not good. That is not a tagline. But you don't use, so don't worry about it. It's very good. Body movement, round movement of your leg like this. Yeah. So it is not good. Gestures, good gestures with smiles. Postures are also good. Accuracy average. Work on your infinitives. Widen your grammatical area. Grammatical area, it should be widened. Adequacy is top. Because whatever she wants to make you understand, she can make you understand with the tense and with the sense and with gestures, postures, anyhow. Whatever she want to convey the message, she can. So it's good. GK is poor. Confidence is very good. Voice clarity, awesome. But don't use overspeed. Try to improve stability in your voice, as you see. So accent neutral. Your accent is neutral. Attitude. You have an aggressive attitude and excited attitude too. Good. It is good. No problem at all. Personality. Personality is good, but you use fogan sometimes. Nahin. This is Hindi word. This is fogan. So at times speaking English, no one would let you to speak the Hindi fogan. Chole chawal. And falters. You don't use any falters. It is very good. Stammer. There is no stammer at your tongue. Outfit is normal. Now this is the tips to improve your overall speaking and personality. Make an ideal one and try to speak like him or her. Download inserts to improve your GK. Download inserts in your mobile phones, and that is the application of the newspaper, and you all have to do it because it is very good application. Just by consuming it, consumes only 10 to 20 minutes every day, and you can improve, you can be updated easily with the help of this. And one more thing, work on your outfit. After all, finally the interview was so good, so please give her a big round of applause.